Hi guys, my name is Shubhang Garodia, Chemistry Master Teacher at Vedantu. Today we are going to talk about JEE Advanced 2021 Paper 2 Chemistry subject, and we are going to talk about the passage. So the passage says the reaction of K3FeCN6 with FeSO4 gives the Turnbull's blue precipitate. Absolutely correct. We know that when we have FeCN6 with a 3 minus, that is Fe is in 3 plus oxidation state, it reacts with a ferrous system. It gives us ferric cyanide, right? So what will be its formula? Its formula will be this, which we know as Turnbull's blue. Absolutely correct. The question then says, when we react ferrocyanide FeCN6 with a 4 minus with Fe2 plus in absence of air, that means no oxidation of Fe2 plus can take place, we get a white precipitate of X. So what that white precipitate is, we know that guys, the white precipitate can either be written as like this, or it can also be written as like this, K2FeCN6. Right? So this is the white precipitate that is being talked about, ferrocyanide, which turns blue in presence of air. Absolutely. The outside Fe2 plus oxidizes in presence of air into Fe3 plus. So what do we get then? Sorry. So if this gets oxidized, so what do we get? When this gets oxidized, the outside iron becomes 3 plus, and we get our Prussian blue precipitate. Mixing the Fe2 plus with NaNO3 followed by slow addition of concentrated H2SO4 through the side of the test tube produces a brown ring. Absolutely correct. Now let's go to the questions first. Precipitate of X is, so what was X? X was product obtained when ferrous reacted with ferrocyanide, right? And therefore your answer is C. Very, very simple question, right? If you check in all three options, in all three options, you'll not get this combination obtained. Now let's talk about the next one. The brown ring is formed due to, we know that brown ring complex is obtained when we have freshly prepared ferrous sulfate reacting with H2SO4 and NO, right? To form what? To form a complex in which the product ka formula comes out to be this. Now, what is this? This is your brown ring, which is obtained on the meniscus at the interface of the two liquids, at the junction of the two liquids. What is special about this brown ring, guys? The special about this brown ring is that in the beginning, we had Fe2 plus and NO neutral, but it is found that in the product in this compound, Fe is in +1 oxidation state and NO is also in +1 oxidation state. And therefore, your answer is D. Now, when we say Fe is in +1 oxidation state, let me just go a step ahead. So this will be 4s1 3d6. As we know that s orbitals have to be kept empty so that hybridization can take place. So this converts to 4s0 3d7. Okay, the answer here is D, guys. Which of the following is brown ring complex? Brown ring is this. Thank you so much for joining us and stay tuned for our next question.